Hi, following EC2 previous generation instances, we will now focus on upgrading databases. The difficulty will be quite the same, meaning medium, because it will depend if your databases are on production environment. Okay, let's dive in. So first, AWS previous generation instances are older instance families and types that have been phased out in favor of newer, more efficient, and cost-effective options. AWS provides a list for ARDS, Elasticache, Redshift, DocumentDB, and Neptune services. Here you have the list. You have like T1, T2, you have C1 to C4, R1 to R4, M1 to M4, and you also have DS, DW, and DC1 series. So you might want to upgrade them. To estimate the savings, you can use AWS Calculator and select ARDS service to compare the prices. So for example, in the same region, meaning Oregon here, I have put one M1.large databases and one M5. You can see that the monthly cost is quite different here. If you upgrade it, you will save 22%, meaning $86 per month for a single instance. To find them all, you can use the cost optimization hub, and if you sort and filter by resource type equals to ARDS DB instance, and recommended action equals to migrate to Gravinton and upgrade, you can see here your estimated monthly savings. And you can see the current resource summary and the recommended resource summary. To fix it, you simply have to upgrade databases instances. This might be a bit tricky if your databases are on production environment because changing instance type requires a restart. So it may cause brief downtime if your database is on a single zone. On production, make sure you take extra precautions. Otherwise, in AWS, for example, for ARDS service, you go to database section and you select one, click on modify, and you can apply the modification immediately or schedule it at the next maintenance window.